Hi and welcome to this second video about Google Bard. Today, I will show you how to work with the Google Bard AI. So, what are the processes we need to understand about this specific topic? You can use a Google bot. Bot can help you get your ideas out there, and you can do these things with the bot's help. What are the steps we need to identify? Find a different way to do things. Brainstorm ideas. Develop a plan. Find out what's going on in a simple and easy to understand way and organize our thoughts and create outlines, emails and blog post website contents and poems. Or we can get it from the specific chatbot. So, getting started. Exactly. A personal Google accounts or Google workplaces and spaces that your admin has enabled access to bot. 4. Bot still won't work with the Google accounts managed by Family Link or Google Workspaces for educational accounts designated for kids, and make sure bot is enabled in your Google Workspace. If you are an admin, must be at least 18 years old and supported browsers. The Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Opera, or Edge. Currently bot is only available in Japanese, Korean, and U.S languages. Exactly. Because the bot, when you need to know what are the process and understanding the concept, please don't take a bot and versus a medical or legal, financial or other professional advice. It's a very must just to focus on it. And the Google's views aren't represented in bot's answers, so don't take them as authoritative. It's an artificial intelligence program and algorithm to now, and there may be an open source license attached it to the code you can use. So, getting no code and the citation process too. The information board gives could be inaccurate or inappropriate sometime because the board gets better and safer with your feedback. You have got to learn how to give a feedback process in chat. A static, stable conversation process. What are the steps you have to identify? You can find it at border.google.com. This is just a tip on it. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account and find out how to sign, and you can enter your questions or prompts at the bottom page and make sure you just click a submit mode. So, what are the examples we can save from your border searching process? And the chatbot will give a result. Give me some help finishing my art studio tagline, example like a craft and create. And some examples we can say write an outline for my summer mocktail post and packing list for campaign. And fishing weekend. The idea of writing a novel appealed to me. Can you tell me how to get started? I want to know if lightning can strike the same place twice. I want to know more about the code in Google or Jax or GitHub, some of the coding and messages, and how to recover and retrieve from the specific code process. Also, you can get the answer from Google AI. And next, we need to discuss about the concept your prompt needs to be edited here from your questions asked through the Google bot. I edit your prompt and the bot will regenerate your response if you change it. So just choose edit text from the right side of your prompt. Your prompt needs to be editor. Then click update end of that. Take a look at what others said because the review and the draft board creates for some prompts because the bot's latest response is the only one with these options to choose view or other drafts at the top. Right of bot's response and you can review any draft you want. And what about the take control of the conversation? Choose many resets chat at the top left to start a new chart below the response, click Google it to find the topics related to it. You can copy code from our response by clicking copy, and whatever the responses can be exported to other Google products because the exporting content from board will be subject to the terms and policies of other services you are exporting to. And because the easiest way to export Python code to Google Colab is to select export that response. Export to Colab below the response and a new Colab notebook will be saved in a Google Drive actually. For workspace accounts and exporting to Google Colab is not available, and you can export a response to Google Docs by clicking Export Responses and Export to Documents. So, the Google Drive gets a new account. So just to select Export Response Draft in Gmail below the response, because Gmail will create a new draft mail to. If you have a Gmail account, you can use this feature there. Depending on your preferences and availability, your export options may vary. If you are logged into Google Workspaces, Chatbot's responses to there is a Chatbot will generate inaccurate, inappropriate responses. As I said, that a response will be sent when this happens, and you know the bot's context holding is purposefully limited. For now, the more bot learns, the better it will get at holding context during longer conversation process. This is a major understanding. You just concentrate about the Google bot. I hope you have enjoyed the video of how to work with the Google bot. Again, and thank you all.